Boost your vocabulary. Discover gradable antonyms. Hello, English language learners. We're back with another exciting episode focused on enhancing your vocabulary. Today, we are going to explore a very important topic: gradable antonyms. If you are wondering what it means, don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Let's start with the basics. An antonym is a word that has the opposite meaning to another word. For example, the antonym of happy is sad. But, did you know there are different types of antonyms? That's right, and one of them is what we call gradable antonyms. So, what are gradable antonyms? They are words that exist on a continuum, meaning there are degrees of the quality they represent. Think about words like hot and cold. These words don't represent absolute states but instead exist on a temperature scale where there are various degrees between the two extremes. The fascinating thing about gradable antonyms is that they allow us to express degrees of intensity, and that's a powerful tool when you're communicating. Let's look at some more examples of gradable antonyms. Young and old. Big and small. High and low. Fast and slow. Remember, these pairs of words exist on a scale and there are degrees between them. This allows us to use comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. For example, we can say older or oldest, smaller or smallest, and so on. Now let's learn how to use gradable antonyms in sentences to express varying degrees. Take the words young and old. We can say, he is older than her, or she is the youngest person in the room. Notice how we use the comparative form older and the superlative form youngest to express different degrees of age. And there you have it. Understanding and using gradable antonyms is a fantastic way to enrich your English vocabulary and express nuances in your communication. Always remember, language learning is a journey. Each word you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement over time. In our next video, we will explore more types of antonyms and how they can further enhance your language skills. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.